Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Debaru, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make $200 a day doing affiliate marketing with Instagram. I hope you guys are excited. I'm going to show you guys step by step exactly how to do this from beginning to end, so that way you guys can go out, build your own accounts, and start promoting some affiliate products yourself. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and get started. Again, for those that are just showing up here today, what we're going to be going over here today is how to make $200 per day doing Instagram affiliate marketing. So I'm going to show you guys basically from beginning to end what is needed to basically build an online Instagram affiliate marketing business to be able to make some extra side income or make money online full time building a brand. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I've already got a brand new account here set up for me today, and I've already decided on a niche. As you can see, it's going to be the pet niche, specifically for dogs. I don't know why I put a cat photo in here, so forgive me. This is pretty cute. But we're just going to basically be growing an Instagram page around dogs, and then we're going to be promoting dog products or pet products, something like that, or CPA offers, things like that. Today we're going to be choosing a product that I actually have already chose in the ClickBank marketplace that I think would work well. So we're going to go ahead and get started. As you can see, the first step when you're going to be doing this is actually just basically the account creation. So as you can see here today, I created a brand new account, nothing on here, and then I just put on some relevant photos to match kind of what's going on here. So a bunch of dog photos, a bunch of pet photos. Originally my thing was going to be all about pets, but as I've started to do this, I'm just going to focus specifically on dogs after looking at the ClickBank products available. So when you're posting up or creating a new page, make sure that you're posting relevant content that's quality, engaging, people are going to want to talk about, post on. Make sure you're posting it not a ton, a few times a day to draw in attention to your links. But we're going to go ahead and get started. So after you've created your Instagram page here and you added some relevant photos, what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to go over to ClickBank and find some sort of relevant product. Actually, I'm using ClickBank here today. It could be really any affiliate program that you guys want, or even any kind of CPA marketing offer that you want. It all works the same. It's kind of the same premise here for it. So for today, we're going to be doing ClickBank. And all I have done is gone to the ClickBank marketplace up here. I've gone ahead and searched for dog products. And then here are all the dog products that are available specifically for dogs. So today, the one that I'm doing, I believe, is this one. Yep. So, goes to go back on it. It's basically a dog training secrets they don't want you to know about. So, average sales about $32.67. There is no kind of rebill with it. It's just a straight sale. So, that's the offer that we're going to be promoting here today. This is it. This is the landing page. So basically, fix your dog or pay nothing. No more chasing, barking, biting, jumping, and more. Fix any bad dog behavior in minutes with the most powerful dog training technique ever. So it's just a pretty nice landing page here. It just kind of tells them a little bit about themselves, how they got started into this, and basically how they could help us. So pretty straightforward. It's just kind of like if you're a reader, you're gonna really enjoy this one. And then there's like a buy now at the bottom here. Some ratings, some testimonials saying, hey, yeah, this is legit. And some DMs and stuff they receive. So pretty straightforward. A little bit about him again, like he's the king of dog training. And he offers a money back guarantee. Risk-free, double your money back. Yeah, basically he'll give you a full refund. Actually, he's so confident that he'll even double your money back for wasting your time. So that's how confident this guy is on His course is 67 bucks. Your dog will be the most obedient dog ever. In fact, I kind of want to buy this now myself because one of my dogs is getting crazy sometimes. But so now that we have that, what we're going to do next is we need to basically create our ClickFunnels bridge page to be able to promote these offers. So I've kind of already got that set up here today. I'm going to walk you guys through what I did. Let's see, here it is. So it's pretty basic. It's just our typical template that you can get from the AFK forum in the freebie section. And it's just 2 questions that you can set up. The first one that I have set up is, how did you hear about this offer? The second one is, where are you from? Just 2 simple questions that basically anyone would be able to answer. There's always an answer to it. I even put other down here in case one of the answers isn't available. And then I just kind of made a blue background. It doesn't have to be a blue background. You can put, relevant dog photos in there, dog training photos. Whatever you think that would look really nice, you can do that. If you can't find anything that works good, I always just stick to a basic color, not like a black or a white usually, something with color like a yellow, a blue. Those ones are really inviting and calm colors that kind of tend to be more like trustworthy. So those are what I stick with typically, and then I just put in fix any bad dog behavior in minutes with the most powerful dog training technique ever. I highlighted some of the words that I wanted to stand out here, and I actually just got that straight from the landing page here, as you can see. So keep that in mind, guys, when you're thinking about ad copy and you're thinking about what to say. Just remember that someone has actually done all this for you previously that you can kind of work off of. You can either use or you can work off of, just to give you like a better idea. So always check to the landers and the different resources they give you. A lot of times on ClickFunnels, let me see if they have one too, you can actually contact your support and ask them for all types of marketing materials. Sometimes they'll even have a website already set up for you where you can go and download swipe files and banners and different things like that to use for marketing. So keep that in mind as well, that you can always reach out to your affiliate supports for these offers and get that as well. So what we're going to do to just kind of finish up a couple things here with my ClickFunnels is we need to add a logo up here, something to blend everything in. So I already downloaded a few dog stuff. Let's just see if we can make one of these work for right now. And you can also obviously go to Google and type in like dog wallpapers or dog photos. And get different dog photos here. Let's see what they have for dog training. So they have some dog training photos that we could use. And let's see if they have any photos on their actual thing. Sometimes you can check here and see too. Pretty basic on here though, nothing too crazy with the photos other than his personal photos, some basic dog photos that we could get ourselves, and then a video. Let's see. So we'll just do something, let me see what this looks like. Oh, he's so big. This one's probably big too. So we'll just do something like that, just to give you an idea. Save it. And so that's all set up. The only other thing that we need to do now is to, well, let me check it mobile, because a lot of times you get a lot of traffic from mobile. So it looks good on mobile too. Looks pretty good. So really what we need to do now is to add we did the SEO metadata, so you can just type it up here. You can type it in here as well. Let's see, I'll just take this again. Do something like that. Save. And then now what we need to do is we just need to add in our link, so that way when someone goes through the survey here, the outcome is what we want them to go. So basically where we want them to redirect, we're going to go back to ClickFunnels. Here is the link that we need to get. So we're going to go ahead and click to promote it. If we need to set up any tracking things in here, sub IDs, things like that, we're going to go ahead and generate the code. It's going to give us one here. We're going to copy it and then just go back and we're going to paste it right here. So that way when someone goes through the 2 questions here, the next thing is going to be directly on our offer for them to take a look at all what that guy has to say, see his double refund or whatever it is, to get their money back. So that's kind of what they'll do. They'll just say, I found this on Facebook, or sorry, we're doing Instagram. I found this on Instagram. I'm in the United States. And then it's going to redirect them to the offer. Once that's done, it's not going to do it now because this is just the preview page. But that's how it works. So basically, now that our bridge page is all set up, what we can do now is go ahead and get that added over to our account. So I'm going to go ahead and take this here. I'm going to go to bit.ly and I'm going to shorten it. So that way I don't have this super long ClickFunnels URL. I'm going to go back to my account and I'm just going to post it here. Hit save. And that's it. And then obviously, guys, you would want to change your name to something related to the dogs. So you would want to make it like Pet Photos Daily, or you know, maybe something more relevant to dog training, like best dog trainer online or something like that. You know, make it something relevant to what you're promoting. Or if you want to keep it, you know, kind of more broad, just something with pets in general, so you can promote all types of pet products on your pages. But at this point, you would basically just start following people who are liking things about dogs, either by looking up the hashtags or going to other accounts and see who are following these types of accounts. So for example, let's say I want to go to this account. Then what I could do is I could just find their followers, and then I can just start following all the people that like pets. So you don't want to be too crazy with this, just because you can start getting some blocks and things, especially when you first create your pages. You want to be pretty calm about doing things. Over time, as your account gets older, then you'll be able to start really following people, liking people, and things like that. And then also, guys, of course, make sure you're posting quality content, content regarding around like dog training, for example. You want to start posting more things about dog training within your feed of all this other stuff that you're doing. And then from there, just start, you know, trying out different affiliate products until you start finding something that works.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.